Children, I Rehana Kasli representing Bright Star International School Bilimora would like to explain you the topic give and take of maths subject in maths textbook page number 40. Now I am continuing next exercise. So children, look at here. A train compartment is carrying 132 people. Another compartment is carrying 129 people. In all, how many people are there in both the compartments? So, how many people are there in both the compartment means this sums is the addition. So, we have to write first compartment people 132. Now, another compartment people is 129. So, 132 plus 129. Okay, so first we have to take ones place. Ones place have 2 and 9 means 2 plus 9 means we have to take 9 fingers and count after 2. We have to take 9 fingers and count after 2. So 2 then we have to count 9, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So our number will come 11. So this 1, 11, these ones we have to write in down, and 10th place this one that we have to carry off next place. So 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 2, 4 plus 2. So we have to take 2 finger count after 4, 4 after 5 and 6. So we have to write in here number 6. Now 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So answer will come 261. So there are 261 people in the both compartments. Now second question is Sanu found 138 pebbles. Karim found 44 pebbles. How many pebbles did they find in all? Okay, so Sanu found 138 pebbles. So we have to write in here 138. Karim found 44 pebbles. So we have to write in here 44. Okay. Now first we have to take ones place. 8 plus 4. Okay, so we have to take 4 fingers and count after 8. 8, 10 we have to count. So 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have to write in here 12. 2 will write in down, and 1. This one we have to write in carry. Okay, next place we have to write in carry. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4. So we have to take 4 finger count after 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have to write in here 8. Okay. And 1 same as it is right in here. So answer will come 182. Answer will come 182. Now next question. A teacher kept a note of which fruits students like in her school. This is what she found. Here students, oranges, mangoes and total. Girls, 136 girls like oranges and 214 girls like mangoes. So how many total girls? Okay, so we have to 136 plus 240. 136 plus 240. 6 plus 0 is 6. 3 plus 4. So we have to take 4 finger and count after 3. Take 4 fingers. 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have to write in here 7. 1 plus 2. So we have to take 2 fingers. Count after 1. 1, then 2, 3. So write in here 3. So answer will come 376. Total girls 376. Now boys, 128 boys like oranges and 243 boys like mangoes. So now this total of boys, so 128 plus 243. Now 8 first we have to take ones place. Ones place have 8 plus 6, 8 plus 3. So we have to take 3 finger and count after 8. 8, 10, 9, 10, 11. So in 11 ones we have to write in ones place, that one we have to write in down, and 10th place have one that we have to write in here carry. 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. Now 3 plus 4. So we have to take 4 finger, count after 3. 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7. So write in here 7. Now 1 plus 2. So we have to take 2 finger and count after 1. 1 after 2, 3. 1 after 2 and 3. So write in here 3. So answer will come 371. 371. Now here, how many students like oranges? So girls like 136 girls like oranges and 128 boys like oranges. So total boys and girls, how many total boys and girls like oranges? So we have to count of this. Okay, 136 plus 128. So in ones place 6 and 8. So 6 plus 8. Okay, 6 plus 8. Ones place 6 and 8. No, so we have to take 8 finger and count after 6. So we have to take 8 finger, count after 6. 6, then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many? 14. Again I have to count 6, then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14. 4 is the ones place, so we have to write in here, and 1 is carry. Okay, in 14, 4 is the ones place, we have to write in here down, and this 1 carry. This tens place have 1 that we have to write in carry. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2. 4, then we have to take 2 fingers and count. 5, 6. 5, 6. So write in here 6. And 1 plus 1 is 2. So answer will come 264. Now how many girls and boys like mangoes? So total is 0 plus 3 is 3. 4 plus 4. So we have to take 4 fingers and count after. We have to take 4 finger and count after 4. 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8. So write in here 8. Now 2 plus 2. So we have to take 2 fingers and count after 2. 2, then 3, 4. 3, 4. So write in here 4. Now this total number of girls and total number of boys. So 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 7. So take your 7 fingers and count after 7. 7 to the 14. This type also that we have to do. 7. Take your 7 fingers. Take your 7 fingers and count after 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So in 14, 4 is the ones place, so we have to write in here, and 1 tens place that we have to carry on next place. So 3 plus 1 is 4. So take your 3 finger, counts after 4. Take your 3 fingers. 4, then 5, 6, 7. So write in here 7. 747. Now our first question, how many students in the school like oranges? So 264 students like oranges. So what we have to write? 264 children like oranges. How many students in the school like mango? So total mangoes children 483. So we have to write in here 483 students like mangoes. Now altogether how many students are there in the school? So 747 students are there in the school. How many? 747. Is the number of girls more than 350 or less than 350? Okay, number of girls is 376. Total number of girls is 376 because oranges have 136 and mango has 240. So 136 plus 240 is equal to 376. So number of girls is 350 or less than 350, more than 350 or less than 350. So it is the more than 350. Answer will come more than 350 because that number of total girls is 376, means this is more than 350. So children, this activity I will send in PDF. You write in your textbook. Okay, thank you children.